In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload video on Google Drive and share link. So if this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So let's show you from beginning. So first of all, open Google Drive on your iPhone or Android. If you know, or if you don't have Google Drive, make to download. Go to App Store or Play Store and searching for Drive, Google Drive. Then as you can see, I have Google Drive. So go back and just open Google Drive and unlock it. If you locked your Google Drive, then tap on plus icon in this bottom, and as you can see, here is lots of options, but good thing is you create folder and you can name it just like that or anything else, and create a folder, then open folder, and again tap on plus icon and tap on upload folder, and you can browse your photo video from photos. And as you can see, all the photos video showing here, but I'm going to upload a video like this one and uploading. As you can see, processing uploads, so it take few second or minute, it depend on your file size. As you can see, video uploaded. After that, just tap on three dot menu and tap on share, and as you can see, you can add people here. Just enter the name or group, or you can just tap on plus icon and enter your email, then tap on here and change restricted mode to anyone with this link. So privacy will be changed, and go back and enter anyone here just like that, then tap to send, and this video will send to that person. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.